Hey everyone, welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, we will learn how to grow portulacas in a flower tower. Let's prepare flower tower. In this video, I will share my secret trick how to get more and more portulacas as you can see in this video. So let us start how to build a flower tower. To prepare a small flower tower, we require a small plastic bottle nearly 4 to 5 inches tall and a PVC pipe and a medium sized pot. Here you can see a small size or medium size Happy Fish bottle nearly 10 to 12 rupees. Cut the base part and make hole in cap. Do same as I do, take a sharp tool so that you can make holes in PVC pipe. Do same as I do, like this. Now again make hole in your plastic bottle nearly half inches down from base. Now we will take a screw and hang our plastic bottle to our PVC pipe. Take a screwdriver and tie your screw over PVC pipe and bottle. We can place our plastic bottle in different style. I have done in this method. You can do same or you can make your own design or your own flower tower. If you want to make your flower tower more beautiful, then you can paint it and make it more attractive. I am using a red color spray paint. I am taking white color pot so that it can give a contrast of red and white color. Place your PVC pipe tightly in center of your pot and cover it with soil. Slowly fill your plastic bottle so that we can grow our portulacas and get maximum flower. Best soil mixer for portulacas is 70% normal garden topsoil with lots of manure in it and 30% sand. Water your flower tower so that all the soil gets settled down and then we can grow our small portulacas cutting. It's time to collect our portulaca cutting. Try to collect a rigid cutting, not leggy ones, as it will grow very fast and will show you result much more earlier than your leggy cuttings. Let us grow our portulaca cutting. Try to give water earlier as it will not allow soil movement and our cutting will grow much more earlier. Portulaca cutting grow very fast as they show their result in 3 to 4 days only, and within 1 day they will show that they are growing. Remove all the leaf from base part nearly up to 1 to 2 inches as it will not allow fungus to grow and your cutting will be healthy. You can grow multiple cuttings in small pot as they don't require much space and they will produce maximum flower. We can also choose cutting with flower bud and you will see result within 1 or 2 days. After growing portulaca cutting, you can directly keep your portulaca in sunlight or you can keep it in semi-shade. It's up to you what you choose. Maintain moisture in soil for nearly 5 to 6 days and then you can give water on alternate day basis or after every 2 to 3 days. After 30 days you can see so many flower buds and a healthy portulaca cuttings. Keeping your portulaca cutting in sunlight is very important as it will grow very fast in sunlight and also will produce maximum flower in sunlight only. If you keep your portulacas in shady area then it will not grow and it may become dull and the rigidness of your portulaca cutting may decrease. Growing portulaca in flower tower is very simple and very innovative. We can try different shape sizes. I have done this a flower tower with mini bottles and you can see this result. After 40 days and the surprise start. We get so many flower, portulaca flower, and also they are of different shape, different color, different sizes. You can see and they are looking so beautiful and so nice. This Portulaca flower tower is showing more than 5 color: yellow color, pink shade, multicolor, white mixed color, pink mixed color. Nearly 42 days has gone and this flower tower is just like a crown and so many beautiful flower on it. Here you can see a very fine quality beautiful flower. Trick to get maximum flower is giving less water to your Portulaca cutting or your Portulaca plant and giving fertilizer after every 20 days. In fertilizer we can include few DAP gravels and cow dung compost. I hope you like this video and you end up loving this concept of growing Portulaca in flower tower with a plastic small bottles. I hope this 6-minute video added a value in your life. Try to make your own flower tower. Try to give more new characteristics to your Portulaca cutting. Thanks for watching.